Welcome to all. Today we are going to talk about your query. Yes, and that is all about medical terminology. So first of all, we need to understand what is medical terminology. Medical terminology is a language that is used to precisely describe about the human beings, including the processes, components, conditions affecting it, and the procedure performed upon it. Basically, there is a suffix which add to a word at the end and lead to the term. When this term used in the field of medicine, it will known as medical terminology. Let's understand this with an examples. Like first one is algia. Algia means pain. For example, neuralgia, nerve pain, fibromyalgia. The next suffix is cyte, C-Y-T-E. Cyte means cell. For example, lymphocyte, monocyte, splenocyte, and so on. The next suffix is cardia. That means related to the heart or basically of the heart. And the example is tachycardia and bradycardia. The next suffix is ectomy. Ectomy, that is E-C-T-O-M-Y. Ectomy means surgery to complete remove. For example, tonsillectomy, that means surgery to remove the tonsil. Parodectomy, that means surgery to remove the parotid gland. Similarly, there are two more suffixes most commonly related to this, which is quite confusing. The first one is otomy, O-T-O-M-Y. That means surgical incision. For example, there is one process called lobotomy in which we give the surgical incision to the prefrontal lobe of the brain, and this process is called lobotomy. Another suffix that may confuse you is plasty. That means surgical repair, as in case of angioplasty and rhinoplasty. Another suffix is scopy. Anything we examine with the help of an instrument will end up having the scopy as a suffix. For example, endoscopy, laryngoscopy, and so on. Moreover, there are other very common suffixes that we use in our day-to-day life also, like the first one is itis, I-T-I-S, that means inflammation. For example, pancreatitis, that means inflammation of pancreas, arthritis, and so on. Another suffix is oxia, that is used for oxygen level. For example, anoxia, hypoxia, and so on. Another suffix that we are going to study, that is genic. Genic means causal. For example, pathogenic or carcinogenic. Another suffix is basically itrix or itri. This suffix is used to define someone's specialty, basically the field in which he or she is working. For example, pediatrics, in the field of pediatrician, pediatrics, and the second one is psychiatry, just like dentistry. So I hope you understand this very well. If you still have any query, you can drop me a mail which is shown on your screen. You can also ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, you can press the like button, do share more, like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.